Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you will be fine today. Today in this video we will discuss few topics. We will be organize small home garden at home. Before starting a video, please subscribe my channel. Let's move to our today topic. First option is set up a gardening station. Create a spot dedicated to potting and trimming your outdoor plants. And the best part, this table is made from a few galvanized barrels and an old wooden door. Second is build a pallet garden. Attach clay pots to a pallet with nails and stainless steel cable ties for a living art display that keeps your rosemary and basil at the ready. Space out the pots so your plants have room to grow. Next is fill a pergola with greens. Grow your garden vertically by trailing plants up the sides of a pergola fence or outdoor wall. English white potatoes and Russian vines are a few great choices. Next, crop colorful plants markers. Keep your garden organized so harvesting remains quick and easy. Craft your own plants makers using wooden paints, sticks, and some acrylic paint. Added bonus, this is the perfect craft for kids. Next is turn a barrel into a pond. Make use of an old whiskey barrel and create your own backyard pond. A great alternative if you don't have space for a real one. Add your water plants, pads, of course, and even a few small fish. Next is mix is vibrant chairs. Outfitting a small space does not mean you have to settle for drab furniture. The bigger the better is the way to go to bring your outdoor area to life. Turn colanders into planters. Hang spring flowers in brightly colored colanders for an unexpected porch updated. Create a living wall. If you don't have floor space to display your plants, mount pots onto the exterior of your house. Here, interior designer Tori Robinson sticks with terracotta pots, but you can also go for bold patterns and colors. Embrace container gardening. Green up your patio or deck with oversized terracotta or plastic planters overflowing with anything from tomatoes to window wildflowers. The lush lineup here creates a pretty privacy wall. Optional for a vertical herb garden. Whether you have a small yard or lack outdoor space, altogether a vertical garden can be a charming addition. You can create one on your own with landscape fabric and copper pipe. Try square foot gardening. This highly efficient method divides raised beds into a grid. Vegetables then get planted in one or more squares at a density based on plant size. You had planted about 6 radish seeds per square, but only one tomato plant. DIY a double function with just a few supplies, including a submersible pump, a waterproof pot, and decorative river rocks. You can make your garden more zen with an eye-catching DIY bubble function. Put up a vertical planter. Note 1: only does this DIY take up less surface area than multiple pots on the ground wall, but it can also serve as a privacy fence for nosy neighbors. Assemble an herb garden. There's something special about an orderly display of potted plants, especially when they are in vibrant colors that showcase the beauty of the season. Upcycle an old ladder. Turn a wooden ladder into a space saving stand for flowers, veggies, and herbs with just a few boards and a coat of paint. Let climbing vines take over. Covered with ivy, a frail free fence acts as a natural privacy barrier to shield a patio or garden from view. Make a fiery garden. Think small, really small with this adorable project, outfitted with a mini birdhouse, rustic stones, and teeny tiny accessories. This planter is a fun craft to make these kids. Hang outdoor lighting. Elevate any outdoor gathering with globe staring lights, whether you choose to hang them on a fence or under pergola. Repurpose shutters, lean lowers old or new against an exterior wall and fill slots with hardy plants such as succulents or mosses. Succulents are nearly indestructible but can get scorched in direct sunlight, so put them on the shady side of your home. Use a bird bath as a succulent garden. Hardy succulents which store water in their stems and leaves will thrive in a shallow bird bath perch. Add pebbles to hold more moisture in the soil. Make the most of combining planting. Placing flowers and veggies together in the same beds does not just save space, it will help boost your yields and keep plants happy by attracting more pollinators. To create contrast with terracotta pots transformed in expensive galvanized steel wash tubs into planters. This long low oval vision with daring drainage holes pocket in the bottom shows off a basil core filled furniture with plants. This clever table worked hard for your yard. Not only is it a neat way to showcase plants, but it's also a nice spot to place your book as you sip. Garden can make us feel happy, familiar, and prideful, not to mention the presence of lush greenery and flowers can instantly spur up your outdoor space. Depending on your small space, you may choose easy to grow vegetables, fruits, and herbs that can be harvested at peak season or opt for tropical plants, evergreen shrubs, or perennial flowers that require even less maintenance. Regardless, we have rounded up charming small gardens ideas that run the gamut, from building raised garden beds and unique vertical gardens to decorating with potted plants. Whether it's landscaping in the front yard, a vegetable garden in the back, or flower pots on a stylish patio, we have got a budget friendly hack for every area of your home. Even if you are a beginner gardener, embrace a garden look on the first by turning windy gutters into planters, hangs fresh herbs from a wooden pretty or got organized with hand crafted plants markers. If you want to flex your dye skill, try building a small fish pond, lovely fountain, or orchard trails covered in the trailing plants. If you are building a brand new garden to revamp your current setup, don't forget to consider plants you would like to grow, and each got sunlight, soil, and water requirements. Now start scrolling these outdoor photos to find an ideas that's compatible with your small space. Guys, they are shown in the ideas shown in this video are very worldwide best ideas. I hope you are like these today in this video. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like, comments, and share with your besties. Thank you. Guys, a great option for beginners. Raised garden beds offer better soil drainage and don't require excessive tilling that can come along with an in-ground garden. Place small raised garden beds in the backyard, front yard, or even on a patio. Display multicolor flowers in a terracotta planter to save ground space. Take it a step further by recreating the beauty of a rainbow using red tulips, orange tiger lilies, yellow daffodils, and so on. This handcrafted sunflower sun catcher will add a dose of cheer to your outdoor garden, you will need a wooden flower and paint to get started, plus beads that will sparkle in the full sun. Turn an old wheelbarrow into a rustic flower garden. Just drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage. What's great about this setup is you can relocate your garden as needed. Summer flowers to enjoy in your outdoor garden all season long. If you are short on backyard space, hang flower filled planters from the porch, white windy gutter and about 20 feet on of nylon rope are the main components of this adorable hanging garden. Get the tutorial at Pretty in the Pines. Help your crops grow taller and straighter with metal support stakes. Keep your plants off the garden and give them better access to sunlight while also adding visual interest to your small garden. Dedicate space for a small fish pond surrounded by the natural paving stones, then fill in the area with lush bushes and flowers. You will likely want to start with a pond liner, but keep in mind you will need an array of items to keep fish alive, like a pump and filter. Stay organized with plant makers, from tomatoes and cucumber to jalapeno peppers. Make sure you know exactly where your fruits and veggies are plotted with plant makers.